when the angels were questioning the creation of or appointment of the human being on the earth as supreme authority, they were asking the question, not totally supreme authority, but supreme authority means that they are going to implement God's supreme authority on earth. And that was their function, or that's what they call the Khalifa on earth. So the angels were say that they might do the bloodshed as it was done before the jinn, the jinn kind with free will. And Allah said, I know and you know not. And now Allah is testing them, teaching Adam all the names, and angels cannot learn those names, knowledge, but the Prophet Adam, the first human being, he learned that knowledge. So Allah said that Allah teach all the names to Adam and he learned it. He got the knowledge. Angels cannot get it. So Allah said, tell the names of these things if you truthful. And the angel said, Qalu subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. That we cannot have any knowledge, access to any knowledge except you already given to us. So angels are like programmed creatures. The human beings are different creatures. We have a will. We have the ability to learn or not to learn. To be illiterate or to be illiterate. So knowledge is something great, which knowledge today, it's not for the cause of God, but it is for money. People learn the knowledge. They want to have a good career. They want to have a good job. They want to have a good business. The knowledge today has become materialistic knowledge or secular knowledge, which is out from the sacredness of God. But the true knowledge is that you are earning the knowledge for God. You are getting the knowledge for God. You learn the knowledge for God that I want to know more about my God. For example, there is a factory and the owner of the factory, he is there and people come and they praise the factory. They praise the machine. They praise about the production of the factory. And they don't praise the owner of the factory, the maker of the factory. So it's very injustice. So now the knowledge today, they talks about chemistry, biology, physics, zoology, botany, mathematics, and all those creation, all those are creation. They talks about those knowledges, but they forget about the owner of the universe. In the physics, it talks about universe and sky and the sun and moon, but they forget about to talk who make the universe, who make the sun and moon and the sky and earth. They talks about chemistry and they talks about chemicals, but they forget to make who make these perfect chemicals. They talks about biology in the school and zoology and botany about the plants and zoology about the other living beings, human and animals, but they forget about who make these creatures. So they are forgetting about the real owner of this universe. And they're talking about the material things, the things which is created by God. So when we are focusing on this knowledge and talks about the creation and forget about creator, that's called the secular knowledge and it's not the sacred knowledge. For us, the biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, botany, zoology, everything is sacred because these all things can give us knowledge which can make us close to God and which is give us knowledge to more knowledge about God, that the God is great to make those great creation. So make the knowledge which Allah give us superiority over the angels for the sake of God and with the God and with the knowledge of God which must be combined with our education. May Allah guide us.